From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity. Now, what do you mean by cavity, children?
Ma'am, depression.
Ma'am, depression.
Have you heard of the cavity in your tooth? Tooth cavity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, there is
Yes, ma'am.
depression, right? A
Yes,
conical
ma'am.
cavity of same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Hollowed out means to take out
Taken out.
something. Okay? Find the total surface area of the remaining solid. So we are given a cylinder. We are given a cylinder whose height is 2.4 and diameter 1.4. So radius will be
0.7.
yes. A cone. Can you see this cone is of same height?
Yes, ma'am.
This way a conical cavity is made. इसमें से from another side it is a solid cylinder, but from one side a conical shape is taken out, right? From here, how does it look? How does it look from outside?
Cylinder.
Ma'am, cylinder.
But if you look at the top, it is which shape?
Cone.
Cone from this side,
Cylinder.
Ma'am, cylinder.
circular base. है ना? Now this I am giving to you, and I am asking you to paint it. Which all area will you be painting, children?
CSA.
Ma'am,
Base
CSA.
of cylinder plus CS of
Cylinder.
From base of cone.
Plus area of base. Now, what is area of this base? If R is the radius, what will be the area?
Pi square.
Ma'am, pi square.
And how about this yellow portion? Will you be painting this or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What shape is this yellow portion?
Cone.
Cone.
Area of cone?
Control surface.
Ma'am,
CSA.
surface area.
Right. Very right. Are you clear with the figure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Let us just start. So we have a cylinder okay. Then I'm taking out a conical cavity from it. This is taken out. Right? The height of cylinder is 2.4. And the radius is 0.7. So the area in all that we will be painting is this CSA, which is 2 pi RH, CSA of cone, which is pi RL, and this area of base, which is pi R square. Yes, children? Now,
Yes,
what is
ma'am.
unknown here? What is unknown here?
L. Plant height.
L.
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 So just write down. Let radius R is equal 1.4 upon 2, which is
मैम एक बार
equal.
मैम ये फिगर एक बार दोबारा समझा दीजिए, मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई थी.
Wait, beta. Radius is this. Height is 2.4 centimeter. Slant height L is a question mark. Okay? As L square is equal to R square plus H square. R is and H is. Now children, there are two ways. Either you continue with the decimal part or you change it to 7/10 whole square. It's up to you. You may start. Yes, Gauranshi, just see. We are given a cylinder. Gauranshi, you may see. Right? A solid cylinder is there. And we are making a conical depression. A conical depression. Right? So the figure is now this from one side. It's a cone. We have to find the total surface area of this solid. How to do that? If I give you this object in your hand, how are you going to paint it? Will you be painting this thing?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, CSA of cylinder.
Very good. Will you be painting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Area of the base. And will you be painting this yellow portion also, children?
Yes, ma'am. CSA of cone.
Yes. So that is what we are doing here. Okay. All right, children. Tell me how do you want to make it 7/10 or you want to continue in decimal only?
7/10.
7 by
Ma'am,
10.
7 by
So you may write it 7/10 whole square. This you may write as 24/10 whole square. Now do not cancel 24 and 10. Reason? We have same denominator. So let it remain same. Now what is the square of 7, children? 49.
49.
49.
576.
576.
Since the denominators are same, 49 plus 576.
625.
100. 625 is the square of 25.
25 by 10.
2.5 centimeter.
2.5 centimeter.
So L comes out to be
2.5 centimeter.
2.5 centimeter. Okay. So the next is find the TSA of the solid. So now total surface area. TSA means total surface area of the solid is equal to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus area of base, which is equal to CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus pi RL and area of base is pi R square. So what can be taken common throughout?
Pi r.
Pi r.
So this is pi R. In the bracket we have 2H
Plus L plus r.
Children, put the values very carefully. So this will be 22/7 into 0.7, 2 into 2.4 in one bracket, plus 2.5 into 0.7 centimeter square. Okay.
Ma'am, 2.5 plus 0.7.
Yes. Yes. Now 2 into 2.4 becomes 4.8.
4.8.
Yes, ma'am.
4.8. So 4.8 and 2.5 plus 0.7 becomes 3.2.
3.2.
So 4.8 plus 3.2 becomes
8.
8. So this you have as 22/7 into 7/10 into 8 centimeter square. Now 7 and 7 cancel. Please do not fiddle with this 10 because you 10 ke factors hote hain beta 2 and 5. We do not have 5 in the numerator. So please do not fiddle with 10. Let it be like this. 22 into 8.
176.
170.
17.6 centimeter square.
Yes. Answer is 17.6 centimeter square.